DeRose, the president of Last Chance for Animals, believes elephants are dying for our entertainment.
They're here for the benefit of you and me and everybody that's coming out to see the circus.
I think it's sad that a child's going to see an animal chained up. They should see this beautiful, magnificent creature in the wild.
Ringling Brothers made a surprise announcement today saying it will no longer use elephants in its show.
Animal rights groups say the decision shows how much attitudes toward animals are changing.
Animals are not supposed to be in circuses.
This is barbaric. This is cruel. This is the worst show on earth.